Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. I'm back with the LW-PX300, and I wanted to show you really quickly how to just make a simple label with this printer. So let's get started. Now, first I'm going to turn the printer on, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now for this application, I actually need to label my file for my taxes this year. So let's go ahead and get that typed in here. So first thing I want to do is I want my T for taxes to be capital. So I'm going to use the blue shift key, and that's going to be your shift key just like it is on your computer keyboard to make capital letters, but it's also going to help you access anything that's in blue. So I'm going to go ahead and do shift T, and then I'm going to just type in taxes. I'm going to do a space. This is your space bar here, and then we'll do 2020. Perfect. Now, just because I want to be a little extra, I'm going to put a symbol on here as well. So the symbols button is right here. It has like a star and a paperclip on it. So that is the symbol. I'll hit that. I'm going to do an office file folder. So you find the category you want, hit return, and then scroll over using the keypad here. And then once you find the symbol you want, go ahead and just hit the return key. This curved arrow here is your return key, or like your enter. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. You'll see it put it on my label. So now I'm ready. I can go ahead and hit print. Perfect. See, I had the manual cutter there, really easy. Now I can go ahead and apply my label. So I've got a file folder here. This is the tape that I'm using right now is a polyester tape. So this is a 1/2 inch black on white. It does have the split backing. If you can see, it makes it really easy to peel it off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Apply my label. Perfect. Easy peasy. Thanks for stopping in. If you have any questions or you want to hear more, feel free to check back for more. Thanks again, and happy labeling.